walls, trying to make some sense of it all, and not to fall apart or fall down. So much harder than a broken heart. She had a tattoo that said live life to the full. She sees the day, made the most of what she could. She'll be forever in our heads and in our hearts. She was so young, but God chose for us to be apart. I'll be forever singing to your grave. When you left our lives, you left your bed unmade, but now you're gone, and the birds still sing your name. The birds still sing your name. Allow yourself some time to grieve. Remember all the happiness she brings into our lives. And her smile, and her love and beauty behind her blue eyes. She had a tattoo that said live life to the full. She sees the day and made the most of what she could. She'll be forever in our heads and in our hearts. She was so young, but God chose for us to be apart.